Hello, general video instruction for Fiam 3940 Lucky Decoder by Lucky Locks. Here's how the tool looks like. Two cassettes with 6 pins each other, tension wheel with small tension handles, scale 1 to 3, turbo wheel with indicator. When I turning the turbo wheel, you can see cassettes are moving up and down. In this video I will unlock the Fiam 40 lock, 5 plates lock. Here's the key, here's the lock, 4 turns. The lock is in perfect condition. So first we need, with this lock, it has only 5 plates, so we will need only one cassette here. And before this we need to reset our tool. Turbo wheel fully to the right, and to these small holes push the pins all the way. Like this. Now it is fully reset. And now we need to remove one of our cassettes. I will remove this one. So grab the hex key from the box, and here you will find small screw. Unscrew this a little bit. We need to free our pump bar here, so this should be enough. Turbo wheel fully to the left, the indicator will pass the hole here, and now you can simply extract your cassette like this. So now hold this cassette like this, do not push, only hold. Turbo wheel fully to the right, and you will feel that your cassette is going down. Now we need to screw this in like this. So when I turn the turbo wheel fully to the right, it's not enough to extract the cassette. Okay, turbo wheel fully to the right, our cassette is fully reset, and we are ready to go in. Pins toward the deadbolt, right depth. How to understand this? Spring effect. Near to 90 degrees, this is our working position, and now tension in the opening direction with turbo wheel till the first stop point, go back, release, and like this. The tension is the key, so if it's not enough, nothing will happen. If it is too much, you can simply break the tool. Now tension, first stop point, after a few pumps, second stop point, and these clicks are the sign that we are in the right direction, so decoding is happening. Release all the levers and go back. And here it is. We have our first turn. Now this is 4 turns lock. It has the variation with 2 turns. In 2 turns lock, it's simpler to reset the cassettes and do the procedure again, but in this case we will just replace this cassette to keep our code with the one we didn't use before. So here's this cassette. So again we need to unscrew this, turbo to the left, and we can extract it, put the reset one in, turbo fully to the right, and now screw this in. Like this. Now we have our cassette fully reset, and on another one we have our code. We are going in, pins toward the deadbolt, turbo wheel fully to the right, working position, and start pumping. Here it is. This code is pretty flat, so let's check it once again. Perfect. Now we have second turn code, and first turn code. Now we need to release our pump bar once again. Turbo wheel fully to the left, extract this cassette, put the one with the first code in, turbo wheel fully to the right. In this case, because we already have the code and we don't need to do the regular decoding, we don't need to screw this in. So, third turn, fully to the left, extract, put this one in, hold, fully to the right, and the lock is fully opened. Very easy, very fast, and actually no damage to the lock. You can see it is in perfect condition. So this was general video instruction for Luckydecoder Fiam 3940. Thank you, good luck.